Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well, guys. So we are here, guys. We are here. Good morning, guys. We are here to check the market, guys. We are here to check the market tonight, guys. Yes. But guys, time zone it has changed, guys. Time zone it has changed. Now we are trading from 1 a.m. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. Now we are trading from 1 a.m. It's crazy, guys. So I'm gonna be checking today's market. So let me let me set the 13 EMA so that we can start, guys. So that we can start. So that we can start, guys. Yeah, I'm having here a 13 EMA. So let me click OK, then you check. So currently Asian market is open. It already is open right now, guys. Yeah, good morning, African cooking, African village cooking. Good morning, Are you there for the market? Are you there to trade the market? Yeah, good morning. So tell me, guys, where are you watching us from, guys? Tell me where are you watching us from? Yeah, just tell me where are you watching us from? Yeah, tell me where you're watching us from, guys. Tell me where you're watching us from. Yeah, African village, where are you watching us from? Yes, I'm having here a 13 moving average. So let me just give you a plan of what I'm waiting, guys. Let me just give you a plan of what I am waiting for the entries. Yeah, let me just give you a plan. So, okay. Yeah, of what I'm expecting. Yeah, Calvin from Nairobi. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, I'm here to trade from Embu. Yes, yeah, African Village. I think last year I held an event. In Embu. Around. Yeah, yeah. Last year I was able to hold an event in Nairobi, in Embu. Yeah, maybe very soon I'm gonna be holding an event in Embu. So I'll let you know, guys, on YouTube. Yeah, I'll let you know on YouTube, guys. Yeah, and help me guys to like help me guys to like the live so that it can reach so many people, guys. Yeah, help me to like the live so that it can reach so many people, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So what are we expecting this morning? What are we expecting this morning on the market? So let me just tell you. So I normally trade something called a trend following. I normally trade trend following strategy. So this is what I normally trade in the morning. That's why I'm awake to trade. Yeah, that's why I'm awake to trade. So I normally trade specifically gold. Listen, guys. So currently I've just woken up to trade gold. Yeah, no any other instruments because gold moves um very high in the morning. Yeah, it moves like so high in the morning. So that's why I'm awake to trade this market gold. So what I'm waiting is, yeah, Bet said hi. Betty Lango. Yes, how are you? How are you, Betty? Yeah, hope you're doing well, Betty. Hope you're doing well on your side. So guys, so what help me guys like the live so that can reach so many people, guys. So if you're live, you can help me to like the live so that it can reach so many people. Yeah. Okay. So what are you expecting gold, guys? So gold I'm expecting to buy. That is the first thing. That's why I'm awake at the moment. I'm expecting buy gold at the moment. Yeah, currently I'm expecting buy at the moment. And I need to have so waking up is 1 a.m. every day. I think guys. So waking up is 1 a.m. in the morning. So that's why I'm awake because of gold. Because of I want to trade gold, guys. Then I need to set the 13 EMA on my chart. Set 13 EMA on my chart. This is the key important thing, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys, where you're watching us from, guys. Okay, so I need to say the 13 EMA on my chart. That is the most important thing, guys, that I trade. Then, so what is my confirmation entry? What is my confirmation entry? So I need to wait for the market. Yeah, this is a plan I'm writing for you guys. Yeah, for those maybe who don't have this plan of mine, maybe you can write. Yeah, if you don't have this plan of mine, you can take a screenshot or write. Wait for the market. Wait for the market. Yeah, wait for the market to close. Hapa unaweza andika, hapo you can write candle close above 13 EMA. Yeah, so that I can confirm my entries. Are you together, guys? Then set a stop loss so immediately when the market closes above the 13 EMA, then I'm gonna set a stop loss of 200 pips. These are fixed. Yeah, Betty Lango from Mombasa. Okay, all right. Then TP of 400 pips. Just simple like that. Just simple like that. Then you repeat it Monday to Friday. Just simple like that, guys. Then you repeat Monday to Friday. So are you able to do this on a daily basis? So let's dive into the chart, guys. So this is my so on my screen here you can see I have the 13 EMA. So this is what we are waiting, guys. This is what we are waiting. So the idea is let me show you the idea what I'm thinking about for my confirmation entry, so that the market, to confirm my entry, I'm gonna be showing you right now. Let me wrap this one first. So I need let's say these are 13 EMA. I think, guys, let's say these are 13 EMA. Yeah, it is 200 pips. Yeah, not 100 pips, 200 pips. Yeah, because back before like we were using 100 pips, and we saw it was not working because the market could stop us at 100 pips, then go in our favor. So we realized that too small, 100 pips is a bit small, guys. 100 pip is a bit small. Though there's some traders who normally set 100 pips, but it is not profitable long term. Yeah, that's what I can tell you. Like, long term is not profitable. Long term, it is not profitable when you set uh a stop loss of 200 pips, over 100 pips. Long term will not be profitable. Yeah, but short term you might be profitable. You might be profitable short term, but long term is a bit tricky. Yeah, that's what I can tell you. That's what I can tell you, guys. So here I have the 13 EMA. So what I'm waiting right now is what I want right now. I need the market to break above the 13 EMA like this, then close. I think, guys. So this setup, I need to take this setup. I need to take this setup by just simple like that. Very, very simple system. Very simple system. Like, you just need to take like a buy like that. So this, I can say this pattern A. I think this is pattern A. So let's go to pattern B. So pattern B is whereby I'm having a 13 EMA here. Then whenever I see candle closed above the 13 EMA, I buy. Stop loss here, 200 pips below. Just simple like that. I think. So let me show you yesterday how the market went. So this is what happened on New York. I think, guys, this happened on New York. So this, you can see this color. See, the blue part here is the Asian market. For those who are seeing my screen, the blue part is the Asian market. Then the yellow part is the London market. Are you together, guys? Are we together to that point? Maybe I don't know if I can increase the size so that can be clear. So that can be clear. Yeah. Now I think it's clear. The blue part is the Asian market. The yellow part is the London market. The brown part is the New York market. So this, on my chart here, I can see I have the 13 EMA. Yeah, for those who don't know how to say the 13 EMA, maybe you can click where it's written indicators and metrics. I think, guys, where it's written indicators and metrics, when you click it on the search here, just type moving average. So in type moving average, we have so many types of moving average. You can see we have moving average cross, we have moving average ribbon, we have moving average. So you need to take moving average exponential. I think guys, this one. We need to take this one, moving average exponential. So when you click it like that, when you click it, it will come to your screen like that. I think guys, like it will come to your screen. So if you have any question guys, you can just type on the comments, then I'm gonna answer you. Yeah, if you have a question. So if you have a question, just type, then I'm gonna answer you in the comments. So you can see it right now. So when it comes to your screen, it will come as 9 EMA, I think, but I need 13 EMA. So I need to click on settings here, then go to length, then edit from 9 to 13. Like that. Let me change the color to be a bit red. Boom, now I have the 13 EMA on my chart. I think guys, I have the 13 EMA on my chart. So what am I waiting right now? I'm just waiting for the market to break above. I think I'm just waiting for the market to break above the 13 EMA here. Like this. Just simple like that. so that I can look for a bullish movement, guys. So that I can look for bullish movement. Yes, guys. So this is what I'm waiting, guys. Like yesterday, you can see. Yesterday, what happened? You can see. Are you seeing what happened yesterday? Yeah. I was able to get an entry here when the market was able to close about 13 MA. Then my stop loss 200 points below. 200 points. So the reason why I'm saying you need 200 pips is because you can see yesterday kama ungeka 100 pips ungetolewa. Unaona? Ungeka 100 pips ungetolewa hapa. Unaona? From here it's almost 128 pips. Unaona? But ukiweka 200 ungekuwa safe. Unaona? You could have been safe. Yeah, 200 is a bit safe. Then you target 400. Ingekuwa imehit 400 pips yours. Ingekuwa imehit the 400 pips. Yeah. Yeah, so my stop loss was around here. My TP was here. Yeah. And my entry that point. I think guys, yeah. So yesterday it was a very nice trade. And also on New York, can see New York. So New York, we had an entry up on New York. Can see guys, here. But the market was able to hit only 200 pips. So the market went 200 pips. So kama ungekuwa na break even, maybe unge make a bit of profit with that. But New York happened well. Can see New York. Ili break above, then haikurudi kabisa. The market went, can see. Yeah, and you'd set a stop loss of 200 pips. Yeah, this one could, yeah. But the most profitable session is the Asian market, the midnight session. Yeah, this of 1 a.m. This is the most profitable session that you can trade. Yeah, you can trade. Yes. So let me show you guys yesterday how I was able to get a trade yesterday on a trade, but it was it was pound. It was pound. Yeah, can someone confirm, guys? How many guys how many guys were able to attend my live? How many were able to attend my live at 10 a.m. yesterday? 10 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, just type yes. Just type yes. If because I normally go live also from 10. Yeah, today's my first time to go live midnight, 1 a.m. I've never gone live 1 a.m. This is my first time. Yeah, I wanted to see how it is. Then yeah, I wanted to see, guys, how it is. Yeah, it's my first time. Yeah, how many were able to enter my live yesterday? Just type yes. So yesterday I was able to let me just show you guys as we wait for our entries. As we wait for our entries, maybe I can show you guys how we were able to get that trade yesterday. So most of the times I normally use the Bollinger Band. It's one of my best system of trading, guys. It's one of my best system of trading. So on the London Open, I needed the market to close above the to close above the to close and touch the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band. This is what I wanted, guys. Yeah, I wanted the market to touch. Yeah. So I normally go live. From you'll find me from 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. Make sure you find me at 10 a.m. So I'll be live 10 a.m. But at 10 a.m. we don't normally trade gold. Yeah, we trade only maybe currencies. Yeah, we trade currencies because that time currencies are now moving so fast, and gold is a bit slow by that time. Yeah, gold mostly is active during the day. During the Asian market open, which is at night right now. That's when the gold is active most. Yeah, high volatility. So here I wanted the market to confirm to touch my upper band. Then what was my next confirmation? My next confirmation is I needed for the market so this was my first confirmation. So maybe I can show you guys. And let me show you something here before. Let me just show you something here. So guys, I think this Bollinger Band. So this Bollinger Band, the upper band and the lower band. Then we have the middle line here. This is how Bollinger Band looks like. So this is called the upper band. The upper band. Then this one you call the lower band. Are you together up to that point, guys? Are you together up to that point? Are you together, guys, up to that point? Then we have here then we have a middle line. We have here a middle line. Sorry guys. Really sorry. So we have that. So we have the upper band and we have the middle band here. Then we have the lower band here. So this upper band, it also acts as a resistance. This one acts as a support. That's a support. So the candlesticks will normally go up. So let's assume these are candlesticks. It will go up, then touch the upper band, then reverse. So when it touches the upper band here, on my mind here, when it touches the upper band on my mind here, I'll be looking for sales. Now it signals to me like, oh, now I'm thinking of sales, not buying. So when it touches the upper band, I will confirm my entry where here. So I need to wait for the candle to close. I need to wait for the market to close below the middle line, which is the 20 MA. Which is the 20 MA here. On Bollinger. Then sell. Like that. I think, guys. So I need first the market to touch the upper band. So yesterday, let me show yesterday. See what happened yesterday? The market was able to touch my. So, and also the stop loss, you need to set here up SL. Yeah, where the market it actually broke. Yeah, SL is here, guys. SL. You set on the upper band. You set on the upper band, the stop loss. Then all of a sudden you sell it like that. So yesterday you can see first confirmation, the market was able to touch the upper band. Are you seeing, guys? Yeah, the market was able to touch the upper band. Second confirmation, close below 20 MA. So this was my entry signal here. Sell. Stop loss above it here. You can see I was not stopped out. I was not stopped out. I think I see was stopped out. Then boom. Now I'm holding this trade till now. Yeah, till now. So these bands will normally act as a support, and let's see how it happened on New York. The market is about to touch the upper band, then it goes up again on the lower band. I think there's some people who normally buy on the lower band instantly when it touches the lower band. But I won't encourage you guys. Yeah, but it works. Yeah, I have a friend of mine who normally when it touches the upper band, the lower band, he's gonna sell. He's gonna buy. When it touches the upper band, he will sell. Yeah, but yeah, for me, maybe I needed more confirmation. Yeah, for me, I needed more confirmation so that I can trade. Yeah. So like right now here, guys, there are some people who are waiting for the market to touch the lower band so that they can buy. Yeah. They're just waiting for the market to confirm and touch the lower band, then they can buy. Yes. But for us, I need for the market to touch the lower band here, then close above the 20 MA. Then I can hold the trade. Yeah. So I needed two confirmation. So I need first two confirmation to confirm my entries. Yeah, that's what you normally do, guys, on currencies. So let's go back to gold. Yeah. So gold, we are waiting, guys. Yeah, make sure guys you enter this trade. We are just waiting for this market. Yeah, we are just waiting to trade this market. And yeah, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. So I need for market to close above the 13 MA. I see that 13 MA. Yeah, I need market to close above it so that we can enter buy, all of us, guys. We can enter buy. Yeah, so that all of us can enter buy. So this is what we are waiting. Yeah, still guys, yeah, tell me the question, guys. Yeah, guys, do you have a question, guys? Which maybe you can ask me, guys, as we wait for this market. Yeah, like you need patience. You need a lot of patience, guys. You need a lot of patience. You need a lot of patience. You need a lot of patience, guys. You need a lot of patience, guys. And also this market, guys. Like what I can tell you, guys, like if you are struggling in Forex, I think the best thing which you can do is you need to focus on one asset. If it's gold, focus on gold. Just focus on gold. And every day be trading gold. Be trading gold, be trading gold, buy. It's gonna save you. It's gonna save it. It's gonna save you a lot. It's gonna save you a lot, guys. Then have the same lot. Yeah, be trading the same lot with gold. Come on, 200 pips, just know maybe like I'm risking this amount. If 0.01, just be focusing on 0.01. Yeah, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. Yeah, and you want to see the consistency. And another thing is don't miss any trade. Because you can see if you'd missed yesterday's trade, here, you can see. Yeah, if you'd missed yesterday's trade here, you can see. Like yesterday, like long term is gonna affect your data. Yeah. That's what I can tell you. Like long term is gonna affect your data. Long term is gonna affect your data. Yeah, long term it's gonna affect your data. When you tend missing up trades like that, yeah, long term it's gonna affect your data, guys. Yeah. Long term is gonna affect your data, guys. Yeah. For me, I have two accounts that I'm trading currently. I have one account that I'm trading using I'm using a brokerage. Yeah, I have a broker that I trade with. Then I trade. So for the broker, for my live account, for my personal account, the broker, the accounts that are funded, I used to trade currencies. Then on gold, I trade on funded account, which you normally called FTMO. So I have two accounts for my the account that in my deposit and the funded account or for FTMO, yeah, and 5size. I have two programs for 5size and FTMO. Yeah, that's what I trade, guys. African Village says how to set the indicator showing the open of each session. Or let me show you, guys. Let me show you how to set the session. This session, the chart. No, let me just show you this one. So what you do, same place here. Indicators and metrics. You see, guys, indicators and metrics here. So when you click indicators and metrics like this, then on the search here, type session. Yeah, just type session. So in type session, we have so many sessions here, can see? We have so many sessions here. But we want this one. So you drag just down. When you drag down, you will find Asia, London, New York colored, used for GMT by Vidas Maltese. I think this by Vidas Maltese. So this, I recommend this by Vidas Maltese. So when you click it, Sorry. What's happening? So when you click it like that, it will come to your screen, the session. Now I have my session here. So this session, I want to set the color that I want. So I need to click on settings here. So I need to click on the settings here. Then go to Asia. I set color that I want. So increase the opacity here. I need to increase the opacity. Then go to London, yellow part. Increase the opacity like that. Yeah, the color that you want. So you can set the color that you want. As you can see, now it has come to my screen. Yes, now I have the Asia. The Asia which is right now here. Yeah. I think guys. Just a minute. So I have here, the blue part is the Asian market. The yellow part is the London market. The brown part is the New York market. And then here is overlap. So here we are having overlap. Then here we are having New York only. Yeah, New York only. So there's the color, guys. Yeah, true. Yeah, true. It's called Proform. Yeah, Proform. Yeah, Proform. Yeah, that's what I normally trade. So best Proform that I can recommend you guys is called best Proform is called 5Sires. It's called, let me go this side. Just a minute. Yeah, best Proform that I can recommend you guys. Yeah, best Proform that I can recommend you guys is called FGMO, and 5Sires. 5Sires percentage. Yeah, 5Sires funding. Yeah, this is the best Proform that maybe I can recommend someone who wants to start the journey of trading. Yeah, of Proform. Yeah. Yeah, this is what we are waiting, guys. This is what we are waiting at the moment, guys. This is what we are waiting at the moment, guys. Sometimes you need a lot of patience to be waiting. Sometimes you can wait. Like yesterday, you can see I waited for the market. I waited. Yeah, I waited. Then all of a sudden, at what time? Until 1. That's when the market gave me an entry. Yeah, that's when the market gave me an entry at 1 a.m. Yeah. At 1 a.m. That's when the market was able to give me an entry. Yes. So let's wait, guys. I don't know if I can confirm my entry here. Then come back. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, so here I'm expecting to exit this market around this area. Let me just tell you, guys. Yeah, this area where I'm expecting to exit. Yeah, I'm expecting to exit this area down here. Yeah, this is my area of exit. So karibu ifike TP. So karibu ifike my TP. So here. So yeah. I need to exit at that point. Yeah, guys, maybe you can ask me a question, guys, as we wait for a trade to confirm. Yeah, you can ask me any question, guys. Yeah, you can ask me any question, guys, and I'm gonna answer you. Yeah. For me, I've been trading for more than 5 years, guys. Yeah, I started when I was in campus. I started when I was doing the campus when I was doing campus thing, guys. But what I can tell you guys, it took me around 2 years for me to start making money. It was crazy, guys. And for it to start being consistent, 2 years. Oh, it was crazy, guys. It was crazy. Yeah. So you might be trading. You might have an experience of 5 years, but 2 years was just losing. Yeah, 2 years was just losing, guys. You are getting the knowledge. You are trying to understand the market structure. You are trying to understand the market, the order volume. Yeah, it's normal. Sorry guys for that. Sorry guys for that. As we wait for um as we wait for my entry here, guys. As we wait for entry here, guys. Yes, as we wait for our entry here. Yeah, I believe this strategy is gonna improve my journey of profit. Yeah, sure. You're gonna see the improvement of forex. So let's wait, guys. Yeah, let's wait as we guys. Yeah, let's wait for the market. Yeah, you're gonna help you. Like, if you want consistency, you're gonna see, guys. You're gonna see. You're gonna see the consistency. Yeah, which broker do you use? I use XM broker. Yeah, if you want consistency, you'll get it, guys. You're gonna get it, guys. Yeah, you're gonna get it. Yeah, so this is what you're waiting, guys. Sometimes you need to wait. You need to wait for the entries. You need to wait for the entries. Sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes it's crazy. You need to wait for the entries again. But it's cool because like you're trading the but is like you're trading the plan. Like you're not gambling. Like you're not gambling at all. That is the most important thing. Like you are not a gambler, guys. You are not a gambler. Like you are trading with a plan. Yeah, that is the most important thing. Is you are trading with a plan. Yes. Yeah. So we need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys, in the comment. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe how I can. Yeah, tell me, guys. How long have you been trading, guys? Like, how long have you been trading on your side? Yeah, just tell me how long have you been trading on your side as we wait for this entry. Yeah, tell me, guys, how long have you been trading, guys? Yeah, how long have you been trading, guys? Yeah, how long have you been in the market? Yeah, just tell me how long have you been in the market, guys? Yeah, have you been trading for 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, 3 months? Yeah, just tell me, guys. Yeah, how long have you been waiting? How long have you been trading, guys? Yeah, confirm to me in the comments. Yeah, just confirm to me how long have you been trading Forex? Yeah, I know. Yeah. So, but right now you can be a very profitable trader in 6 months. Like very, very profitable trader. So the reason why the knowledge is everywhere, guys, right now. But back when I was studying Forex during the COVID time, when I was studying Forex, it was really hard. Calvin anasema 2 years. Okay, Betty, 2 years again. Wow, nice. Yeah, you can be a very profitable trader actually. You can be a very, very profitable trader, guys. Yeah, you can be a very, very profitable trader. Yeah, you don't need like you don't need like you don't need so many years. You don't need like so many years. Like right now, it's easy to become a consistent profitable trader because of the knowledge. Yeah, African village, 6 months. Wow. Yeah. So you African village, for example, like if right now if you take Forex seriously with a plan without gambling, like you can be a very profitable trader instantly. As long as the problem is the plans. Like most people change strategies. I think for me, what really affected me is uh 1 month I was using this strategy. Next month I was using another strategy again. So I was changing my strategy every time. So I just found like 2 years, like I have done nothing. Like I have mastered nothing. That was a mistake that I did, guys. After 2 years, I realized that I've mastered nothing. I've just mastered nothing. And yeah, that is a common mistake that people make. Common mistake that people make is that yeah, they tend to uh they didn't master nothing. Yeah, you've been trading this strategy, you've been trading this strategy, you have been trading this strategy. Yeah, so it will reach a time whereby like if they ask you like which strategy have you been trading, which strategies have you mastered. So when I say mastered is at least you have traded for 5 months one strategy. You found that no one has traded that strategy. Like you have not traded for more than 5 years, more than even 3 months. Yeah. So I was changing strategies, and it really affected me, guys. It really affected me. Like, yeah, that is the common mistake that I did. Is the common mistake I did was changing the strategies. It was changing the strategies, and it's not good, guys. It's not good changing the strategies. It's gonna affect you guys long term. Oh, I'm trying to connect. Yes. Yeah, so I think Betty and Calvin, they have high experience in the market. They have lost a lot of money. Maybe some of you, yeah, we are just the market is about to confirm. Yeah, when the market is confirmed, then I'm gonna close the meeting, then we meet again tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I just wanted. So just for the market to confirm, we enter together, buy, we set our stop loss, we set our TP, and then we go back to sleep. That's what I want at the moment. Yeah, let's hope. Yeah, yeah. So I was saying Betty and Calvin. Most of you, maybe one of you, maybe you have lost a lot in the market. Yeah, maybe you have lost a lot in the market. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe you have lost a lot in the market. Yeah, because 2 years you have lost, you have gained, you have lost, you have gained, you have lost. Yeah, yeah. For me, the highest amount I've ever lost, it was $7,000. It was $7,000. Like, it was crazy, guys. Yeah, I lost $7,000, and half of that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was not my money, guys. It was not my money, guys. It really affected me, guys. Also in my trading. Yeah, I blew it when I was studying forex. It was crazy, guys. It was crazy. So my aunt when I was studying forex, but I by that time I didn't know about the risk management. Like, I was just having this hype of forex. So my aunt gave me like $7,000 to trade, and I ended up blowing that account. It was crazy, 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 crazy. That was the highest I felt. Yeah, I remember I broke the laptop. Ile hasira, unaona ile hasira uko nayo, like unapata break laptop, umetoa hizo MT4 MT5 zote, unasema sitaki stories za trading tena, I don't know anything about trading, close it. Then after 1 month I came back again. Then I said, I made a mistake, but maybe I can correct. Yeah, maybe I can correct. Yeah, but right now I've recovered all my trades. I've recovered all my $7,000. Sana sana profit imenisaidia sana because because I have a profit of $100,000. So every time Nikki make 5%, inakwanga like $5,000 make. Like, yeah, when you have a bigger profit, like crazy, 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 guys. So so guys, if you want the confident of trading profile, yeah, I think maybe you can text me, then maybe nitakuguide. Yeah, unaweza buy tu kama uko na uwezo, unaweza buy a bigger profile, then maybe I can help you to trade the profile. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I don't know if you have I don't know, guys, if you have my, I don't know how I can, or maybe I can type here. Maybe let me, type somewhere here. So my TikTok account, so that you really want, like, kama unataka kabisa consistency, like you need to up your game sana. Yeah, you need to up your game kwa trading sana sana. Yeah, it's about to confirm, guys. It's about to confirm. Yeah, Betty nasema I need the guidance. I've blown 4. Yeah, maybe I can help you. I don't know how you can connect. You can search me. My, or maybe I can give you my my Instagram. Yeah, maybe I can type my Instagram. Just a minute, then I give you my Instagram. Then for those maybe who are interested, then okay. So okay. So maybe I can type you my Instagram. Maybe I can type you my Instagram. My Instagram name as we wait for the setup, guys. Yeah, as we wait for a setup here. Yeah, I don't know how we can set the link. Can someone help me? How do you set the link? How can someone maybe send the link maybe on the Equal live? Yes, my first time to be live on the yeah. It's not my first time to be live, but I've never sent any link. But this is my Instagram. You can text me. This is my Instagram. So my Instagram, you can find me Neutron. Just the same as on my YouTube actually. Yeah, you can find me here, guys. Newton Torres. Or your handle. Yeah. Maybe I can send. Maybe I can set my. Yeah, but this is my Instagram. You can text me, then I'll get you. This is my Instagram. That is my Instagram. You can just find me there. You can text me, then we can get in touch. Maybe I can help you. Maybe I can help you maybe to buy a platform, then and also to guide you on the how you maybe can trade with consistency. Yes. So guys, this is my Instagram. So I think on my also on my handle, yeah, your handle, yeah. This is my Instagram, yeah, just the same name as my on my YouTube. Just you'll find me, then you'll text me, then I'll be able to help you. I'll be able to help you to navigate in this platform. Yeah, because there's someone alibuy platform here 5 million, and I really assisted him. Like he needed that time because he didn't have a job. Like he didn't have a job, and he needed like it was crazy. But I helped him, and we made a very good withdrawal from a $50,000 account. We were able to withdraw $2,000 from that account. We were able to withdraw $2,000, and it was crazy. Okay. So let's wait, guys. These things you need a lot of patience. Sometimes you need a lot of patience. Like we just want the market to close above. I don't know kama nimeweka I don't know nilikuwa nimeweka on my let me just see if I've set my Instagram on my I need to set so that I need to set it. Yeah, it is here actually on my bio. Yeah, it is here actually. Yeah, it is here actually. Yeah, it is here actually. This is my YouTube, it's on my bio here, guys. Yeah, for those who are asking my broker, this is my broker here. Part to my broker here. This is the broker that I use. Yeah, I can just click, then you can open an account with it. You can just click it and open an account with it. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Yeah, here we are just waiting, guys. Yeah, you need a lot of patience. Maybe a question, guys, before, guys. A question, guys. Sometimes you need to wait, guys. Just don't need to exit early the market. We need to wait for the market so that we can enter, guys. Yeah, we need to wait. That is the most important thing, guys. Yeah, for those who are asking about my broker, this is my broker here. Just go to my bio here, guys. Just go to my bio here. Then just go to my bio here and then click this link. This is my the broker that I use. Then my Instagram is here, guys. Yeah. Maybe we can trade together. Can we be able to trade together, guys? Yeah, my link. Yeah. Yeah, for me, I love XM is because of sometimes I can trade crypto. Nah, like it helps you to trade crypto and Nasdaq. Yeah, because I trade Nasdaq also. So so some other brokers, as in Nasdaq, no, some other brokers they don't have Nasdaq. So and XM it gives me like that because it is an international broker and also spread yao iko fiti sana. That's why I recommend it. Yeah, so let's wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. And guys, I usually held an event. I usually held events, guys. And yes, guys. If you're from Mombasa, guys, I'm coming. Yeah, Mombasa. I'm having an event very very soon in Mombasa. Yeah, I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you. And also in Kilifi. Yeah, yeah. I will do one in Mombasa, Mombasa town. Then do another in Kilifi. Yeah, Mombasa town and Kilifi. Yeah, I remember 2023, yeah, I had an office in Mombasa. Yeah, I had an office in Mombasa. Yeah, before I decided to move to Nairobi. Yeah. And also guys, I was having an office in Mombasa. Like I did it for 1 year. Then yeah, I saw it was a bit tiresome because it needed me like to be there every day, and I wanted to travel. I wanted to travel, so I closed everything. I closed everything in Mombasa, and I sold everything, and I started traveling. Yeah, I started traveling East Africa, yeah, Zambia, yeah, yeah, Namibia. Yeah, I was traveling those countries of Southern Africans because I saw like guys like nowadays we can connect online. I can do a class online. I can be live anywhere. Like, yeah, I don't need an office. I don't need an office to be like the same place because I don't want to feel like a job. Like I want it to feel like I have freedom. Like I can do it anywhere because forex I can be anywhere and trade forex. That's the most important thing about forex. Like you can trade anywhere. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Like you can trade forex anywhere in the world. Yeah, so that's why I have freedom. I travel. Yeah, I've been traveling, guys, for a while. Mostly last year. Last year I was traveling a lot. I could go to Kampala, stay there in 1 month, then go to Dar es Salaam. There's a place called Mikocheni. I could stay there for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, then move again to Zambia like that, to Rwanda. Like I was just traveling because it gives me freedom, guys, to be anywhere. Yeah. So if you're watching me from South African, guys, if you're watching me from South Africa, I'm coming very, very soon into SA, guys. I'm coming very, very soon. Yeah, maybe in the next 2 months. The next 2 months, I'll be in South Africa. Yeah, so maybe we can connect together, guys. Maybe we can connect when I reach to Joburg. Yeah. So this business, guys, if you love traveling, you can travel a lot. You can travel a lot because it's you and your laptop only. It's you and your laptop. Yeah, it gives you freedom to travel a lot. Yeah. Yeah, I think I've traveled all the counties, almost all the counties in Kenya. Like, yeah, I could go book an hotel or an Airbnb for 1 week, then move again to another county like that. Yeah. Because for me, when I travel, I feel like more energy. Like I have more energy. Like I'm curious to learn some new things, new culture. Like yeah, I love it. I love to adventure. Yeah, it's about to give us an entry, guys. Yes, it's about to give us an entry, guys. So, guys, we have said when it confirms, just set your stop loss 200 pips below. Yeah, that's confirmed, guys. But we need to wait for the market to close. Yeah, don't enter right now. Yeah, don't enter right now, guys. Don't enter right now. Yeah, wait for the market to close. Yeah, let's wait for the market to close. Then we can enter. Yeah, let's wait for the market to close and then we enter buy. We enter buy. All of us are gonna be entering buy, guys. So it depends with your account size. So if you're an account of $100 and below, maybe you can set a 0.01. Yeah, you can enter with a 0.01, guys. Yeah, you can enter with a 0.01. Yeah, you can enter with a 0.01. Yeah, 0.01. But not now. Don't enter right now. In the next 10 minutes. Yeah, in the next 10 minutes. So I need first for this body to close above the 20 MA, the 13 MA. Yeah, that's when we're gonna enter. So you can just imagine as maybe we check as we wait for entries. Let me just so this is our strategy, guys. This is our strategy, which will be trading it. Yeah, which will be trading it, guys. So let me just show you something, yeah. So guys, like for you to buy an account of $50,000 FTMO. So if FTMO, unaweza buy account of $50,000. Now how much? Around 40K. Around 40,000 Kenyan shillings. So this 4,000 Kenyan shillings, you can just imagine, guys. Imagine make 10%. 10% of this 3,000. After umepass challenge, hiyo ni profit umemake how much? $5,000. Crazy. Hii kwanza imekutoka kwa block kwanza. Nah, $5,000, like, you can just imagine like one withdrawal. We make $5,000. Now we'll invest how many? We'll invest how much? 40,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, there's one guy to buy na but we bought it for around it was $100,000, and like the guy like right now is making good money from the market. Good money. Yeah. So even on a low, because in a week sometimes you can make even 2%. So when you imagine 2% of this, that's $2,500. $2,500. You unaweza make in a week very easily on Profam, so long as you understand what you're doing. Yeah. Yeah, there's some people making money from this, and the people are making money from the market mostly hawapigi kelele. They are very silent. Even you can't understand them. They don't show off. Like, yeah, I've met a lot of people like who are making money, but they are very, very silent. Very, very, very silent. Yeah. Hey, so if kama uko na uwezo ya kuchukua $100,000, $100,000 ni yeah, and uko na $100,000 na itakutoa block sana sana. Ya kubuy $100,000 US dollars itakucost 70K, but lakini naye one withdrawal utatoa kama mita because 10% of this, maybe utagitu 10% to make withdrawal of this, it will be $100,000. It will be $10,000. So ndio uzuri kuwa na bigger profams. Unaona hiyo? Ndio uzuri kuwa bigger profams. Uta make $2,000 USD. Yeah, once. You wanna make two once. Yeah. For me, my first profam, I made $2,500, and I personally believe that this thing is working. Like, yeah. Yeah. But on a good month, unaweza make at $8,000, $7,000, $5,000. Yeah, you can invest, you can make that amount very, very easily. Yeah, but if you have a bigger platform, yeah, very, very easily. Very easily you can make that platform. Yeah, so let's see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, the market may reverse tena. And I thought maybe the market ina confirm, then we go back to sleep, guys. That's what I wanted. It confirm, then we go back to sleep. That's what I normally do. Ngoje confirm. Yeah, this strategy gonna win rate poa sana. Iko na win rate almost 58%. Yeah, win rate of 58%. Yeah, 58%. So to me, in long term, I'm gonna make money if you follow it consistency. Naona kama jana I made a profit. Yeah, jana sikuamka bure. Like I made some profit yesterday. Yeah, on gold and also on currencies. So on currencies, I'm waiting this. So the currencies now really. Now I'm waiting. When niliingia hapa. Yeah, for this trade yesterday I was able to enter here. But TP hapa. Angalia kwenye TP iko, guys. But because of patience, I need to wait. I don't exit early. Yeah, maybe I can just wait. Yeah. Passing the challenge is headache. Yeah, sometimes inakuanga headache sana. Yeah, sometimes inakuanga headache. But if you understand what you're doing, yeah, I think Betty, text me on my yeah, just text me on my on my Instagram. Then I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you to understand this thing. Like, yeah, this is my Instagram, guys. For those, yeah, come on, guys, unataka understand about Profam. This is my Instagram name. You can just text me. Ndakuguide very easily. Like, itakuwa very easily for you. Like, for you itakuwa very easily. Sasa unajua mostly nyanafanya una feel like it's a bit headache is because sometimes unapata like confidence and also the strategies. Maybe confidence, maybe unaona like, hey, ni kama like nita lose because of the strategy. But if you understand the strategy, like if you understand the strategy, like it's ABCD, even unaweza buy platform kubwa ya $100,000. Yeah. Yeah, if you have if kama uko na uwezo ya kubuy platform ya $100,000, like yeah. And kama unataka kuprove like these things works, buy ya 100,000, then we trade together. Yeah, buy 200,000, then when it takes, then we trade together. Yeah, 100,000 around 70k, around 70,000 cash links. Yeah, 70,000, like crazy. Yeah, we'll be risking 0.5 at least at blue account tutatrade na 0.5% to prove like these things ina work. Tutakuwa na trade one system. Maybe utachagua maybe to trade ya London ama ya usiku saizi ama in the morning. Maybe we can decide useme like I want this maybe in the morning, or so long as yenye tutakuwa nachukua consistently. So nikichukua trade wewe unachukua na ndakuwa nimekupea about risk management, then I create for you a risk management plan. So nikichukua trade unachukua, then by the end of the month you'll tell me if kama utakuwa umaliza phase 1, then itakuchukua around 1 month 1 month 1 week kumaza all the challenges. 1 month ikienda sana, 2 weeks 1 month 2 weeks ikienda sana kabisa. 1 month 2 weeks. But for us to gamble, no, we are not gambling. For us, we are not gambling. We are trading with a plan. So that's why it take long, because is 0.5. No. So, and maximum risk per day yetu atufai kwenda ni 5%. So unaona like tutablow aje sasa account. We never blow that account. We trade together. We trade together, guys. Then after then utakuwa umepata capital yako ya kutrade. Even if you make 10%, that is $10,000. That's crazy. Then profit machukue 20%, ubaki na $8,000. That's $1 million you have. But we'll invest to 70,000 Kenya shillings. That's what I did, guys. I have an account of 100,000. So nikipata 5% huwa na making. So nikimake 5%, na make 5% na huwa natengezanga like $5,000. Nimemake withdrawal ya $5,000, $8,000. $8,000 ni kama nimemake profit ya 10%. 10%. So it's not hard, guys. But for me, iko very disciplined sana. I follow a plan. So I don't just gamble. So just buy your own platform. Then sasa tukue, then we keep in touch. With you as you trade, guys. So nikichukua trade unachukua, nachukua. By the end of the month utajua sasa kupass challenge si ngumu. It's very easy. Because now you'll understand risk management. We'll be using the same risk, same session, same currency or asset. Kama ni gold, kama ni GPSD ni GPSD. Then ukifanya 1 month to pass challenge, utaona like, oh, this thing, it was just a mindset part. It was just a mindset part. It was not about the hard. No. It was just a mindset part. This market is really, maybe I can ask someone here, how many they have ever enjoyed getting profit from Profam? If you have ever gotten something from Profam, hata kama ni $10, hata kama ni $50, like, maybe I can ask, nani hapa amepata a bit of profit from the Profam? Yule anaweza kuambia like important part of it. Mimi make a lot of withdrawals na Profam sana. Even last week. Last week nilifanya withdrawal ya $4,600 kwa account ya 100,000. So imagine tu nilimake 4%. If you go 5%, nilimake 5%, nika withdraw $4,600. $4,600. So ukikuwa na big account kumake bigger profit ni haraka sana. Then kubai ndogo ya $5,000, like hiyo utangangana, utakuwa na make profit ya $20,000, ya $50, $30. But if you want serious money and you want to, or maybe you want to do forex full time, na unashuku sana like, oh, maybe uko job na unashindwa like, hii forex unaweza fanya full time. Like imagine unaweza fanya full time very easily. So long as you understand the concept and you just buy a platform and you trade with it. Trade with it. Ukimake withdrawal ya kwanza, hata ukimake 1 million ama $5,000, utumie kama capital yako. So una deposit kwa broker, then unaendelea kutrade na platform. So una make money on your you make money with your account. You make money with your account of a broker, then also you're trading platform. So unaona like, so hapo tutapata tu like una exit your job direct. So hata ukisema hata ukisema maybe your first withdrawal will make $5,000, Now say me, I'm gonna pay my bills for the next 4 months. Yeah, you're gonna pay your bill for the next 4 months. Then you keep on trading, and you may cover at least your bill. May cover your bill for the next 4 months. Yeah, that's how you trade, guys. Trading with a plan. Yeah, that's how you trade with a plan. That's how you trade with a plan, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for the market to confirm so that we can enter, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for this market to confirm. Then ndio imeconfirm sasa. Ngoja. Sasa ni saa ngapi? Au imepita tena 36. So tunangoja mpaka saa ngapi? We are waiting until what time? Till 2:45. Yeah. So ikiclose hivyo 2:45 tunaingia buy wote. Yeah, tutaingia buy wote to set a stop loss of 200 pips and a TP of 400. Then we call it a session. Then we go to sleep. Yeah. So you'll find me again at 10 a.m. Yeah, you'll find me again at 10 a.m. Nitakuwa live at 10 a.m. And also guys, inakuanga TikTok. Let me ask on the comments here. Wangapi wanakuanga live on my TikTok in the morning? TikTok. Yeah. Yeah, how many wanakuanga live yangu TikTok? So TikTok, maybe you can find me. Nakuanga in the morning at 7. Imagine 7 in the morning nakuanga live. Nafanya live analysis pia on the TikTok account. Nafanya live analysis. So this is my TikTok account. This is my TikTok account. You can find me on TikTok also. Hii nakuanga live daily. To FX. So hii ndio jina yangu ya TikTok. This is my name of TikTok. ToFX. Yes, I'm called ToFX. ToFX. Yeah. In the morning, tunapata 7 a.m. Every day from 7 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, hii nakuanga live from 7 a.m. Every day in the morning. You'll find me at 7 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, ToFX. Yeah, just type ToFX kwa TikTok. You'll find me. Yeah. Hii nakuanga daily. Yeah, nakuanga daily. In the morning. Nakuanga live at least. Yeah, this is my nawambia guys, this is my first time to be live at night. Yeah. Yeah, sijai kuwa live at night. Yeah, at 1 a.m. Like I've never gone live. I think you're my first people. Oh, Betty nasema I do. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, let's wait, guys. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, imekaribi confirm. So we're remaining with 6 minutes, then tuingie. We're remaining with 6 minutes, then ikiclose na bullish hivyo tutaingia by. And that's how my live will end. Then we meet again in the morning. Yeah, I just wanted to close, guys, so that we can go and sleep. Yeah, we have so many hours. We have at least, yeah, I think we have right now is 2:40. So we are remaining with 5 minutes. I just wanted to close above the I wanted to close above the 13 EMA in the next 5 minutes so that we can call this session off, guys. We can call it a session. Oh, what's happening, guys? I wanted to enter and then I sleep, guys. I go back to sleep again because hey, waking up at 1 a.m. is not easy. Yeah, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy, especially if you're especially if you are waking up in the morning to work, to go to job. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy, 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 crazy. It's not easy. Yeah, I can say it's not easy at all. I can say it's not easy at all. Umamka saizi in the morning, you wake up at around 1 a.m. Then then uko live till what time? Yeah, you go live 2, 3, 4, then maybe 6. You wake up again, you prepare yourself, you go to job. So I think maybe that day you're gonna feel like you are so tired. Yeah. So at least maybe you can, at least the market, if the market can give us an entry, then it can be very, very good. We can enter, then we sleep, guys. Yeah, yeah. I don't know why the market is just ranging here. Yeah. Sometimes you need to wait something here. Patience in forex, patience is key. If you don't have patience, you'll never be a trader. See what's happening right now. Hey, see, like you need to have that patience. Sometimes even can wait for a setup for 4 hours to get a setup. I am waiting. I'm waiting. But when I get that setup, I'm gonna hold more profits to compensate my waiting time. You see? Yeah, that's the benefit of it. Like yesterday, you can see I waited for this. I waited for this to confirm my entry. Then my entry is here. So here now, you see this all moving down. I have not exited this market. I have not exited this market. I wanted to maximize the profit that the time that I waited and the profits. Yeah, I want to maximize it. So see it now. You enter and then you close trade early like that. No, 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 no. We are just waiting, guys, for the entries. So, guys, have you realized why most traders trade gold at night? Maybe you've asked yourself maybe this question and you've never gotten a question. Like, why do traders trade at night? So let me clarify this question. So the reason why we trade gold at night, yeah, not during the day, is because during at night, gold moves has higher volatility at night than during the day. I think, guys, like during the night, China is active. China has the biggest physical gold transaction in the world, and it opens during the Asian market, Japan market. Yeah. So that's what now. That's why right now you see so many traders are active right now, mostly on TikTok, where, because they are trading gold. Because they want to take an advantage of the volatility of gold. I don't know what's happening with this market. It's just consolidating, and I wanted it to close above the 13 MA. So imagine, guys, we're just waiting for this body to close above the 13 MA. And we can enter buy, then we go and sleep again. But the market is just, I don't know what's happening with the market. Yeah, I want it to close above the 13 MA. So that we enter buy, then we close a session together, guys. Sometimes you need to wait. Patience is key. Yeah. Yeah, patience is key, guys. Yeah, African village. I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know what's happening in the market. Yeah. Let me check my phone. Guys, I don't know what you can do. Can we just say patience wait for 3 a.m. to push. Yeah, wait for the 3 a.m. to push. Someone is saying yeah, Bayan. And someone wait for the patience. Sometimes you can wait. But that's the bit of being a trader. Like if you when you wait and you get it, it really feels good when you get a setup. Yeah, we've been waiting for almost how many hours? From 1 a.m. guys to 2 a.m. Almost 2 hours. So maybe we can wait maybe till yeah, Calvin. Yeah, I think it has confirmed the 2.6. Yeah, 2.6 may confirm, but right now we're trading the 2.4. Yeah, we want the 2.4. Yeah, usually yeah, someone is saying Bayana anasema the market opens at 4 and uh yeah, I think Bayan market will change time. The daylight will change. Daylight will change from yes. So I think the best thing which you can do, guys, is crazy, guys, crazy. This thing is crazy. Yeah, when I got you something, sometimes you wait, but when you wait, you get a nice setup. Then just wait. And you see, guys, first we are just yes, push it backtest jana. Yeah, maybe someone is saying backtest ya jana. Ndio ya jana hapa. Ya jana ndio hapa. Ya jana ndio hapa. Naona vile jana market ili close in yesterday. So yesterday ilikuwa entry yangu hapa. Stop loss ilikuwa 200 pips below. Then I target 400. Yeah, this was yesterday. This was yesterday. So sometimes the market can give you the setup very early in the morning. And that's really good. Yeah, sometimes I like it to give me a setup early in the morning so that I go back to sleep again. So that I could not have problems during the day. Or feeling tired, something of that. I wish Sometimes I wish this market ingekuwa ina open around 5 a.m. called the Asian market. Ingekuwa easy sana, ingekuwa very easy. But imagine 1 a.m. by guys, crazy. Yeah, 1 a.m. is crazy, guys. Yeah. 1 a.m. Yeah. Even today is my yeah, 1 a.m. sometimes is crazy. Yeah, guys. So guys, if you have any knowledge of how to create a robot, please guys text me on my please just text me here. If you have an idea of if you have an idea of if you have an idea of AI on how to set the AI to make an AI, please text me on my Instagram. Yeah, this is my Instagram. Just text me, please. Maybe we can discuss more on how we can set the AI. Yeah, Discord nangoja trade. Maybe we can form. Yeah, there's one guy I met one guy, but the guy was a bit expensive. Because because he understand about how to set the robot, but he wanted a $20,000 deposit first to start the creating the AI. Then I was like, oh, maybe like I saw him like a bit different. Yeah, he wanted a deposit first so that he can start working on that project. And it was a biggest. He wanted a $20,000 to do a robot. We discussed. I wanted to do it maybe around $5,000 for at least to start as we go. But he wanted $20,000. So that's why we didn't agree together, guys. Yeah. Tenza robot pia si pesa kidogo, guys. So that ikuwa ina break above 13 MA inakuwa lat. So unalala tu hivi, ikicross above 13 inachukua trade yako. It takes your trade. The benefit ya AI bot. So umelala tu. You have just slept. Robot is working for you. The robot is working for you, guys. Yeah, but don't buy this robot here, binary. Guy, who wanna scam you direct? You'll be scammed. This bot here, binary.com. I've been scammed there so many times. Yeah. Apparently anakuambia like, this bot of mine, just buy. It's only $200. Only $200. Just buy. When you buy, then you deposit your money, then you unapata blue account. Then the guy tells you like the problem is your capital was a bit small, so you need to add a bigger capital. When you hear about it, just know it. That is a scam. Yeah. How many have ever been scammed of robots on this live? Kama umeiscamiwa about robots. Umescamiwa robot. I know so many. I mean, maybe so many of you. Sana binary. Yeah, binary is forex, guys. Binary is not forex. Yeah. Binary is not forex at all. Yeah, trading binary is not forex at all. Not forex at all. Yeah, trading binary is not forex at all. So if you have never been scammed, so don't get to this trap of binary bot. Yeah, don't get into that trap. Yeah, at least now I've told you guys. Yeah, guys, now it's confirming, guys. Now it's confirming. Yeah, let's wait, guys. We confirm, we buy, and then I just wanted to confirm by 3. Yeah, so that we can enter buy, then we call it a session, guys. Then we said, yeah. Now let's wait, guys. So we are remaining with 5 minutes, guys. We are remaining with 5 minutes. Yes. Bayan was right. He told us it. We wait at what time? At 3, and it's exactly 3. Wow. But what's happening? I want the boy to close above it. I don't know why the body is not closing above it so that we can buy. The body is refusing to close above. Yeah, we're just waiting for the body to close above. So that we can enter, guys. That is what we are waiting, guys. I don't know what's the problem. I don't know what's the problem, guys. Wait, today market. Maybe 3M is going to push up. Yeah, maybe 3M the market is going to push up. Yeah, it's confirming, guys. I really want to confirm, guys. I really want to confirm. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah. 3 minutes, can see? Actually, it has closed above. So just wait. You see, it has closed above. So prepare yourself, guys, to enter the market. Let's prepare ourselves to enter the market, guys. Let's prepare ourselves to enter the market. Let's prepare ourselves to enter the market, guys. Yeah. Let's prepare ourselves to enter the market. I'm also preparing myself here to enter buy. Yes. So nikitoka live ujue tu like I'm entering I'm just entering here my trades. Yeah, I want it to close like that. I want it to close like that, guys. Guys, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So make sure you've set a stop loss of 200 pips and a TP of 400 pips, guys. Are you together, guys? 200 pips and 400 pips. And don't exit that trade till it reaches the TP. Yeah, don't interfere with the trade, guys. Don't interfere with the trade. Yeah, don't interfere with the trade, guys. Don't interfere with the trade. Yeah, don't interfere with the trade. So let me, guys. So let me go. Let me go to my MT4. Let me go to MT4 and try to look for opportunities. So guys, have you entered the trade? Have you entered the trade, guys? Yeah, just set 200 pips below, and then call it a session, guys. Bye bye, guys.